Have the copy to the bill.
Sir, I'm for the application.
Within the course of that, may be taken after vacation.
Item
Seven.
or the Jalbot case.
Yes, please.
Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Counsel, Jalbot, submits that an affidavit on behalf of the respondents filed by, represented by him, has been filed today. Is being filed during the course of the day. So he submits that a copy of the same has already been handed over to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. So in view of the above, registry to list this case again. The Huru Bishop. 19/1/2026 for admissions. The petitioner is at liberty to bring on record a rejoinder to the said affidavit filed by the authorities of the Jal Board, if so advised, before the next date of list.
Mayor, please, your lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3 for withdrawn with liberty to refile, my lord.
Why?
Why? Because we have not made one most important prayer, so.
Let the matter be called up, we'll see. Yes.
Item number 2. Lordship, I on behalf of Mr. ABT Hawk, due to his father illness.
No. This is that APSC matter. APSC matter. List before any other bench without me. I was there in the single bench. Have you no, not two. It'll go by its scope. Today, no. You get your instructions. You had given time much before. Why the delay? Small thing was that you had taken time that we'll get it. Get it before two, not after that. Mister, have you got any judgments?
The judgment I have issued.
Which one?
That is Goswami's judgment.
No, but here I find that there is a, yesterday I was just reading up. There is a cabinet decision to this. And that cabinet decision was put to challenge before this court. Justice Devashish Barua's judgment.
My lord.
And that was upheld.
Regarding?
This 10%.
10%. No, 10% is all right.
One thing which is now troubling me is, now 10% can be 0.08. It can be 10.10%.
My lord.
How do we draw that line?
No, it is, my lord, here, lord, it's after 2 decimal, my lord, nobody's nothing counted.
No, that we'll have to examine.
No, that judgment
that 2 decimal thing is
yes,
there.
my lord. And that is in case of my lord is L1, that is H1.
Same thing.
Principle same, my lord.
That's the reverse of that.
My lord. That's clearly, my lord, para 13, your lordship, kindly see.
This is Mr. M.K. Chaudhary.
Yes, that is that judgment which we are looking for, my lord. Yes. That was the stand, my lord. That after 2 decimal, 2 round up, my lord, 2 decimal, no round up, my lord. Para 5 last line, my lord. Then 13 is the, my lord.
That 2 decimal point, where is that judgment? I've just forgotten. There is a categorical judgment, 2 decimal point.
No, here is the stand, my lord. That was the stand taken, my lord. Your lordship kindly see para 5, my lord, last line.
No, here he says that you give a justification.
My lord. And then your lordship para page 13, my lord. Para 13, my lord.
No, para 13 also point decimal is not there. Marginally lower.
Yeah, marginally, my lord. Here, my lord, marginally, my lord, it's absolutely, my lord, 0008.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed, what do you have to say?
My lord,
Documents we forget. Your
clear in respect of my lord, tender from itself. But it says, my lord, that I am reading with a vernacular, my lord. যদিহে নিবিদাকাৰী জামিন দিবলৈ মাটি নাথাকে তেনেহলে 6 নং কলমত উল্লেখ কৰা সকলো নথিপত্র
Clause, 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 clause.
It is tender form itself. It is not there. Tender is reported. It will be below. It is tender form.
No, no, it's okay.
The tender form.
Form itself.
Itself, fine.
Okay.
I will lend a property, my lord, that I bought already mortgage.
So tender forms, my lord, these are not condition, my lord. Condition is done by the NIT, my lord. Tender form is a standard form for all, my lord, who is ever applicable.
But see, Mr.
Then my-
Monto, that would have been a factor in the earlier round when you had to give 30%, then in kist you have to give. That is why it was
My
called
lord,
kist.
your lordship here,
Now
this
the
case,
concept of kist is not there, it's the total payment.
a total payment, my lord.
And he has given a mortgage of his land.
No, that is true, my lord. Your lordship kindly see how this, my lord, authority, my lord, that is
That is the only thing we have to see.
how this authority, my lord, envelope one was, my lord,
When is
clear,
it coming to an end?
my lord.
When is it coming to an end?
June, 30
June,
June
30 June,
2026.
my lord.
I think this will have a effect. We'll have to consider it little more deeply.
No, my lord, your lordship kindly see, but other things, my lord, there are no affidavit is there. There is no fee
No,
regarding,
we can't pass an interim order today. We'll have to dispose of the matter.
my lord. No, otherwise, my lord, it will be after
Nothing.
3 months, it will be infectious, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, my lord, that so me 2 months ago, my lord, this was served till today, no affidavit has been filed, my lord.
No, no, we are not asking for
My
it.
lord, your lordship, otherwise,
Yes.
after 2 months, my lord,
How did you make this consideration?
As per
Ms. Bora, what is the reply to the queries raised yesterday?
one thing that I want to submit, my lord, that as per terms and conditions as enumerated under clause 12, anything beyond 10, the tender will not be accepted.
Give me a case law on that.
My lord, clause 10, my lord. And it,
that means he admitted that he is shortfall of document, my lord. His case, my lord.
I'm submitting this, I'm respect, my lord, but he's saying that, my lord, terms and conditions. As per terms
We
and
got it, we
conditions,
got it, we
my
got it.
lord, his standard is the line
Yes.
is cancelled. Bring the cancel.
Now we have got it. How did you consider the first stage? Eligibility, how was it considered?
Because that till that point of time, that second envelope is not open, my lord. Then what do they have work out, my lord?
Other documents he has submitted. Bakijai clear, Bakijai plus.
In the
Only the guarantor part he has.
no, in the, my lord, from my lord, your lordship kindly see. In the why they have, my lord, no, my lord, then maybe my
No is with regard to his guarantor.
no, my lord, your lordship kindly see.
Hmm.
The competitive statement, my lord, we have to go by the competitive statement. They have clean certificate, no.
Page.
Page, my lord, page 24, my lord. 27, my lord. So your lordship can original, my lord, your lordship kindly see that.
No. He is, which no you are referring to?
Your lordship kindly see,
3 consecutive no's in the middle.
my lord.
That 3 consecutive no's is. That is with regard to
15, 16, 17.
15, 16, 17 is guarantor.
He has not, Bakijai certificate also, he has not been submitted.
Bakijai certificate is
2021.
2021. Bakijai certificate, yes.
No.
Bakijai certificate 2021 is 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. But there is a Bakijai certificate on record. Last date was?
30/6/2026.
So he has a Bakijai certificate.
But in the competitive statement, there is no, my lord, there is no mention, my lord. No, my lord, that's why, my lord, how they can came to the first bid, my lord, how they can overcome, my lord. What is the decision, my lord, they have taken, my lord?
Yes, madam. What is the thing?
Because at that point of time, my lord, 30, amount was not, my lord, but second envelope financial bid was not open, my lord.
Can I have the records?
25 feet.
I'm seeing it. You have mortgaged the land.
Yes, my lord.
You have given a mortgage deed for that. Is there any deed for that? How was the mortgage made?
We executed an agreement with the authority.
No.
Where?
Well, it has to be, this is mandatory, my lord. The day of agreement, we have to, my lord, deposit the entire evidence.
No, no,
That
no,
is
no.
afterward, after getting award, my lord.
The mortgage thing, how
After
do you
getting award,
mortgage
that
the
cannot
land?
be, my lord.
My lord,
How do you mortgage the land? What is the process of mortgaging the land? There is no process for mortgaging the land. You
Mortgaging
said
land.
you had given mortgage because you had given the land, value of which is more than the bid value. So you said you don't have to give a guarantee, right? Now, where is the value of the land? There has to be a valuation of the land.
okay, there, my lord.
It's not there. No. So you have to give a certificate also. Your Bakijai certificate is not there in that affidavit. No, 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 no. It is not there with your form. That is separately kept. How can it be separately kept? The form that you have submitted,
Yes, my lord.
there has to be an affidavit also.
There are two affidavit, one genuineness certificate affidavit, my lord, all the document. I have
মৰিগাঁও
submitted.
জিলা পৰিষদৰ কৰমুক্ত, আঞ্চলিক পঞ্চায়তৰ কৰমুক্ত, গাঁও পঞ্চায়তৰ কৰমুক্ত, ৰাজপত্ৰিক বিষয়াৰ দ্বাৰা
বেলেগ বেলেগ।
ফটোকপি, জীৱিকাৰ লগত
এইখন বেলেগ
দিয়া প্ৰপত্ৰ সত্য বোলে শপতনামা কপি।
দিব লাগিব।
সকলো কথা মোৰ জ্ঞান, not given. Okay. Anything more? Only a non-encumbrance certificate is there. Valuation certificate is not there. So how can you take that plea? Because the amount will be opened later on only. This is a mandatory condition.
Then, my lord, I may be allowed to file an additional, my lord, an affidavit opposition. Putting up an everything.
No, we are staying it then. You file, we'll stay it. Let the authorities run.
The entire bid amount I already paid my 100%.
That they will give it back to you. No problem.
Question it is clearly says, my lord, in the tender form itself. এই নিবিদাকারী জামিন দিবলৈ মাটি নাথাকে তেনে ক্লজ কলম কলমত জামিনদাৰৰ পত্ৰ জামিনদাৰ দিব লাগিব। I want to submit my lord Jamanmundi copy.
Okay. Mr. I'll give you one time. You give me a small note of your arguments. Right?
Well, after that.
No. We are disposing it off on 6th. 5th, you give me this. Because today it's not possible. 6th, you give me. You also just give me a small
Right.
note. All the judgments, whatever
Right.
you have. And these records, we are not returning it. We'll keep it
My
in the registry. And it is seal kori. At the Learner Council for the parties at length. Also, Learner Council for the parties are at liberty to bring on record their respective written arguments on or before 5/1/2026. So, registry to list this matter again on 6/1/2026. On 7/1/2026 for delivery of orders. Also, the records, the record file bearing number MZP.1149/2025-26/P4T-7 pertaining to settlement of Moiriabari bi-weekly Majar be kept in a seal cover with the registered judicial, who shall hand over the same to the court officer, court master on 5/1/2026.
Deeply.
Seal kori. Mr. Monto, if we hold that this is within the 2 decimal points, if we come to that,
My lord.
then he is continuing
My lord.
and the loss is not much. Loss is not much. It's only around
My
24.
lord. That's true.
We are not concerned with you. We are concerned with public money.
Process.
10% is with an out object that the people are not fleeced. The cabinet had taken a decision.
My lord.
Then what is the harm in allowing him to continue?
My lord.
What is the harm in
No,
not
my lord,
interfering?
I am not on that, my lord. Your lordship kindly see it. These are all actually, my lord, another petition was there, my lord, enjoyed by his brothers, my lord. This is also challenge the same point, my lord. The mother's opinion is that, my lord, how they can know, my lord, because your lordship kindly see, my lord, he has given a guarantor. He is given a land valuation is not there. How they know, my lord? This is the, if your lordship, my lord.
That is with regard to the
No,
technical.
if your lordship, my lord, indulgence this type of business, they will get the, my lord, preference, they will doing it, my lord. Because that's why in the very first day I made a statement, I'm not paying for any, my lord, stay order, just this record may be produced. Because in the comparative statement, how they can, my lord, first envelope cleared, my lord. So that if it is allowed, my lord, then it will be, my lord, my lord, certificate to them, my lord.
Okay.
That is my, I'm submitting.
Then I got it.
What is required in the first envelope? Only eligibility.
Yes, that is the
And earnestment.
eligibility carry all document, my lord.
Found in order and
I think this matter we'll have to go a bit deeper into it. We'll go there.
Deeply.
Either way, I don't know where it will go, but it will go somewhere. Maybe to Mr. Dotto. No, he will not. We are not, because we are not yet taken
Daily
a
is
call.
running by his brother and weekly is running by
What is the bar? What is
my
the
lord. No
bar?
bar, my lord. Their modus operandi is same, my lord. That is why I'm fighting, my
My
lord.
brother
I am
is
not thinking for my lord the system.
Tender market. Where is the bar? Where there is any terms and
But
conditions in
the
deal,
sole document
then
not
my
there.
brother cannot participate in any tendering process.
He has also not given a guarantor. Your brother has also not given a guarantor.
And market by only 20 paisa is less than 10%.
No.
That tender is cancelled by the Jila Parishad. Only 20 paisa.
Morigam.
So that, yes, I am not eligible, but how he can eligible, my lord? Your
We'll check.
lordship kindly,
20 paisa less, my lord.
and now, my
Then
lord,
it
they
is
are document, my afterward, my lord, document were, my lord, by the,
That's why we are saying.
yes, my lord. That is the, my lord, that type of,
But the last amendment, my lord. My understanding.
Money is paid.
no, nowadays,
But
100%, my lord.
his Bakijai clearance is required. That Bakijai clearance is not in with the records. He's in the affidavit. There is no reference to that Bakijai
Bakijai.
clearance certificate. Bakijai clearance is found in the records. How?
I have to.
That is the, my lord, crux of the matter, my lord. That's why I'm fighting, my lord.
How? Because the affidavit has to give,
Details,
has to say
the
that the documents given above are true,
true and genuine.
genuine. So Bakijai, the documents that are there, we accept, but the documents it is not there. That is why in the comparative statement, the Bakijai thing is left blank in his case.
I have to check, my lord, whether it was submitted later on or not.
Later on, how can you accept that?
My lord, that I will.
Go through it.
Not
Right,
if I will go to
it.
That effect, I will place him on a judgment to honorable court in 2000.
You give it in your written argument.
Deep level.
Mr. Mounta, please be a bit.
Definitely.
Okay. Yes, what is the error?
My lord, there's no evidence against me, my lord.
Heard Mr. I. Rafiq, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. M. Bachaji, learned counsel, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the state for all the respondents. Also, issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Also, Ms. M. Bachaji, learned additional senior government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Full stop. Service complete. Full stop. However, learned counsel for the petitioner to furnish requisite extra copies of the writ petition within during the course of the day. So, register to list this matter again on February 4/2,
Yes,
2026.
May I please, your lordship? I want to withdraw the petition, my lord, with liberty to refile, my lord.
We want to withdraw, I am allowing it, but no liberty.
Yeah, we have to file, my lord. We have to, my lord, made another prayer, my lord. So,
What another prayer?
my lord, 18/9/2024, my lord, 18/9/2024.
Hmm.
My lord, the OM has stopped the compensatory appointment. This prayer has to be, my lord, challenged, my lord, in this writ petition. Otherwise, my lord, in this case, my lord, only minutes of the DLC has been challenged, my lord.
No. You have challenged 16/8 or
My lord, my lord.
no, you're what is there? So 18/9/24, this court directed
My
that
lord,
government said that no more further consequence.
My lord.
This court in 3/24,
Huh.
writ petition said no, give them one more consideration. You have been given that consideration.
But still, my lord, that 18/9/24 is in force, my lord.
No, you have been given that consideration by the DLC.
My lord,
DLC on 16/8 has considered your case in pursuance to your writ petition here.
my lord, my lord.
That consideration is after 18/9.
18/9, my lord. Now, my lord, DLC again rejected my case.
Naturally, that is the end of the matter.
And now,
That is the end of the,
now,
we'll
my lord,
consider now.
now, my lord,
We are considering. 18/9 challenge is gone because you have got the relief.
my lord,
Your case has been considered.
considered, my lord,
We only have to see whether this consideration is proper or not. That's
my
it.
lord,
Heard Mr.
FL Oscar, my lord.
AFL Learned Counsel for the petitioner at length. Registry also heard Mr. D. Bora. Full Mr. Bora has raised a question of maintainability of the petition. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 7/1/2025 for further hearing.
Obliged, my
Before vacations, I'm not troubling you. To come back.
lord.
Yes, what is your instruction? Heard Mr. D. Decca, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S.S. Roy. Mr. S.S. Roy, CGC, submits, Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned CGC submits that he be granted further 2 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 21/1/2026.
Obliged, lord.
Yes, what is your instruction? No, you were given a chance to take instructions. What is your, whether they have got marks above the cutoff mark? Why?
Instructions not yet received. Any another matter
Heard Miss,
taken on?
B. Hazarika appearing on behalf of AHMR Chaudhary.
your name is not in the Wakalatnama.
No, Lordship.
Heard Miss B.
B. Hazarika,
B. Hazarika, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
AHMR Chaudhary.
AHMR Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. D. Bora. Issue notice returnable on 9/1/2026. Also, Mr. Bora accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. All the respondents?
Okay.
Also, no formal notice is to be issued. Baki, okay? Huh? Copies, requisite extra copies during the course of the day. Registry to list this matter again on 9/1/2026 for motion. No. For admissions.
Along with the
Along with WPC number 6619 of 2025 and other analogous matters.
May please, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, we are the candidate for
What is your father, parents doing?
cultivator, Lordship.
All cultivator.
Almost, almost.
Cultivator in the normal sense or in the Punjab sense?
No, normal sense,
Okay.
sense of Assam, Lordship.
If it is not in the Punjab sense, so they are
We are
NTL only.
Yeah.
You get your instructions. Heard Mr. A.K. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. B. Sharma, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondents. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks.
Lordship, a similar matter has been fixed in another bench on 9/1.
Lordship, all
Similar.
similar, issue may be similar.
Those are of which district? That Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Anglong and another district also there.
But Karbi Anglong, the issue is different. You are here, the issue is different.
Belik issue is-
Okay, 9/1,
9/1,
9/1/2026. He's asking something in the last day. Why should I not give him?
Deeply obliged.
9/1/2026. Huh? Ms. B. Sharma accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice is to be issued. However, requisite extra copies of the petition be furnished to the Learned Counsel for the respondents during the course of the day. So, Ms. Sharma shall complete her instructions before the next date of listing.
So may I pray much more for interim?
Any recruitment made to the post of constable in pursuance to the advertisement dated 5/9/2024.
Yeah. Yes, Lordship.
5/9/2024 shall be subject to the outcome of the present bill.
Deeply obliged.
May I pleasure, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Here is the petition
Medical.
to participate in the
Heard, Mr.
constable GD post.
Heard,
But
Mr.
unfortunately, the review medical board was rejected on the ground of TM, perforation both ears and glandular hypothesia. But
You are A.M. Khan.
AM.
Heard Mr. A.M. Khan.
So sorry, sir. I'm S. Ali.
S. Ali,
Yes, sir.
Sorav Ali. Also heard Mr. S. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. B. Sharma. Also Learned CGC. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Baki okay. Steps, huh? Yeah. Later, Adiba. Agree, Burgo.
Oblige.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Hmm.
So this penalty order of reduction of 1 stage has been challenged basically on 3 grounds. There is no so-cause was issued, preliminary inquiry was not done, and the mainly the commandant, who was also the eyewitness, he was the disciplinary authority.
Yes. You don't believe in his statements. You don't believe what he has said. You don't believe. See, what can I do?
Basically, they doesn't.
Heard Mr. B.M. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A.R. Adhikari, Learned M.R. Adhikari, Learned CGC, appearing for all the respondents. Huh? Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Huh? M.R. Adhikari, so steps.
My lord, may I pray one observation, my lord. Most of the lower grade candidates had been promoted to the ASI. That for mere penalties may not be a bar for consideration of for promotion, my lord. That observation may be made, my lord.
Have you prayed for that?
No. Yes, not. My lord, yes, I had prayed for that.
What have you prayed?
Direct the respondent authorities to consider his candidature for promotion to the rank of assistant.
Will that consideration be of any help if we don't stay your this penalty? Penalty is in currency.
Yes,
You are still don't you cannot be considered.
my lord.
So why make unnecessary? Go for the direct kill.
My lord. Much obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. My lord may kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
No Passover today.
My lord, my senior, he's on legs in court number 9, my lord.
He is welcome. Yes, what happened? You are for AG.
I am for AG.
And the what? No. On the last occasion,
Yes, Lordship.
from whom?
He also did not.
I'm taking this matter as the last item. Both of you fix a date. We'll incorporate that in the order. No. No, he may have his marriage, his daughter's marriage, his son's marriage. That would be a plea. No, you get me a date. Both of you. And there should not be 2 dates here. You discuss with madam and the madam will give me the date. You give the date to madam. Or we can call both of them here. Let them discuss here. Sitting in the last row. We can do that. Yes. Why? Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened after the last?
But Lordship, already on
Instruction is dated?
1812, Lordship.
There is a direction to bring instruction and then to file affidavit, Lordship. Already on 24/11.
The learned standing counsel, PWD, you are appearing for?
Respondent number 1245, PW.
You are for PW, you are PW, you are standing counsel. Mr. Ardhor, learned standing counsel, PWD, submits that the matter has already been taken up by the department with the judicial department for an early disposal of the same. Full stop. He submits that the matter be taken up on 9/1/2026, on which date he shall place before this court the updated instruction. Mr. D. Bora, learned government advocate. Mr. Bora, learned government advocate, he is requested to receive instructions from the judicial legal remembrancer and secretary as to the status of processing of the proposal. Status of processing the proposal now pending with it pertaining to creation of a supernumerary post for the purpose of granting pensionary benefits to the petitioner herein. Full stop. Register to list this matter again on Kiman Tarik Dilu?
9/1.
9?
9/1.
9/1/27 upor to kati dibi tolot likhi dibi. Photo likhi. Reflecting the name of Mr. D. Bora, learned government advocate. 7/1.
Obliged.
It's like, my lord, we have done our part, my lord.
Oh, did I say anything? Did I say anything?
Just, I'm trying.
No, why are you apprehending that I'll say something? I've not said anything. The matter is not ripe for the rope to be pulled. It will take some more time. We are waiting for that. You give him a letter.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my lord, we have already identified the post. We forwarded it.
I said supernumerary post.
No,
No,
no need, my lord.
no need. I took a supernumerary post na lage.
Not like my lord.
Against the post identified for the purpose.
Yes, madam. We have written to the finance department. Finance has said take a view from the judicial department.
Okay.
That is where we are, my lord.
Against the post supernumerary post commissioner, against the post identified for the purpose.
Obliged.
7. Yes.
Yeah, please.
Oh,
Lordship, can you see annexure 10 and 11, my lord?
I've seen.
PCCF order was not complied by the respondent number 4, my lord.
Okay. Affidavit pleadings are complete.
Complete, my lord.
It is Mr. S.B. Loscott, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the pleadings in the matter is complete
My lord.
and the
It is
matter
also-
be taken up for final disposal.
Similar order, my lord, earlier also similar.
No, I'm fixing a date now for disposal. Admit the admission hearing, at this stage of admission hearing. The prayer is not objected to by the learned government advocate appearing for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matter last week on day. 29/1/2026 for admission hearing. An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next date of this.
Most obliged.
Released. Amount released. Wow.
Only the current salary, my lord.
Huh?
Only the current salary, my lord.
What happened to the other part?
The other part of 41 months pending payment is still pending, my lord.
There was an order already from this court.
But the last order of 1711 cited to current salary of the 1711.
Thereafter, my
What
lord,
post you are holding?
LDA, my lord.
How long?
From my appointment was in the month of October 2021. I received my payments for the first 3 months, my lord. 4 months. rather.
Person to a selection.
Person to a selection, my lord.
And what about the other part? No, it's here. It is communication dated 11/12/2025.
7.
Tobias, what is the relationship, degree of relationship? What is the relationship?
That is, Your Lordship, as per point 1, out of the 4.
Yes, how are you related to the erstwhile joint director?
My lord, no inquiry has been ever submitted to
No,
me.
no, I'm not asking you. How are you related to Tiloka Das?
I'm not aware. I'm a Hoikia. That person is a Das.
Oikia Das from somewhere, there might be some connection.
Possible, my lord. But
Oh.
let them, if I get a formal communication to answer, my lord, as of now, this is new to me, my lord.
Okay, you want a communication.
I don't want the communication to that effect, my lord. That will be.
Heard Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Bora, Learned State Counsel. Mr. Bora has submitted that the current salaries of the petitioners are being released and shall be continued
My
to
lord.
be released.
My lord.
With regard to the release of the area salaries of the petitioners, Mr. Bora submits that an inquiry is underway to ascertain as to whether the petitioners were selected in a fair manner. He submits that such an inquiry was necessitated on account of allegations of irregularities in the selection process coming on board. Also, while this court would not restrain the authorities from proceeding to carry out an inquiry in the matter, however, the same cannot be the basis for denying to the petitioners their due salaries, at least for the period they have rendered services after being appointed.
My lord.
Also, accordingly, the respondents shall conclude the inquiry at the earliest. However, they shall also process the matter for release of the area salaries of the petitioner herein. If you find that they are, cancel their appointments. But why?
My lord, if I may pray for a time frame for them to release the arrears, my lord.
Yes, let them
My lord,
process.
my lord, I'm grateful.
Register to list this matter again on 28/1/2026.
I'm grateful, my lord.
On the next date of listing, Mr. D. Bora, Learned Government Advocate, shall apprise this court about the further developments taking place in the matter. Pleadings complete, Mr. Sheikh.
My lord, pleading complete, my lord, and what I have stated in my writ petition, they actually admitted it,
Fine, we'll consider that.
my lord. Only thing is this, my lord, I have a saloon, half
We got it.
construction has been
Your
done.
father
that
was
will be-
there, now you are continuing with it.
My lord, my construction may continue.
No. We'll finish it off finally.
My lord,
Today it's not possible. We'll finish it up finally.
my lord.
Mr. M.A. Sheikh, Learned
My lord,
Counsel for the petition.
it does not take much time, my lord.
I'll have to pass an order, I'll have to sign.
My lord.
That will not be possible. That is why. I'm
Order may be kept reserved by your lordship during.
Why should I
vacation, it
take
will
that headache?
be-
At the
Urgency is this, my lord, my livelihood is.
we are fixing it on reopening only.
My lord.
But Mr. M.A. Sheikh, Learned Counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. N. Goswami, learned government advocate, appearing for all the respondents. Pleadings in the matter, it's stated in the that the pleadings in the matter are complete. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 8/1/2026 for admission hearing.
Obliged.
My lord,
Yes.
just take it as a last item. It is only way. My lord, just
This is the last item.
one more item, my lord.
Sign being to matter.
This one.
Lordship, I just had a talk, Lordship, with the concerned department. Lordship, the petitioner visited the office the last week of November. He is adamant on this. He was promoted at the supervisory Kanungo in Gwalpara, Lord. He wants that to be considered, Lordship, and that's why the tussle is being because he has retired as order,
Who is he to advise you? You process the matter in your own.
This is the main
You
thing.
process why? Oh, that means he's that powerful that you can't work.
And that's why.
You process the matter in accordance with law, give it if he is entitled, we will give him.
Then Lordship, I already have talked to them.
You process it in the matter. Why are you concerned with him? Why are you concerned with him? You process it in your own way. If he is legally entitled to something, give it. Not legally entitled, don't give it.
Lordship, as per this letter, because the temporary post, Lordship, yes.
So what happened to the order then? Discussion.
Sure, this is the main thing, Lordship, the petitioner, and that's why Lordship did.
So you
Beyond that,
will
Lordship.
place the proposal.
No, Lordship may fix after the big holidays.
Okay. In terms of the order dated 24/11/2025, Ms. M. Bachchaji, additional senior government advocate, as well as Mr. A. Boro, learned, R. Boro, learned, R. Boro, learned, standing counsel AG, bracketed A, has submitted that the matter the pension proposal of the petitioner is being processed, and the same would be submitted to the AG Office of the Accountant General at the earliest. Mr. R. Boro submits that the proposal on being received by the Office of the AG, bracketed A&E, Assam, complete in all respects, the same would also be expeditiously processed. Ms. Bachchaji has submitted that the proposal was not being processed only on the ground that the petitioner was insisting for some reliefs that he was not entitled to, for service benefits which he was not entitled to. So, the respondent authorities, while preparing a pension proposal, is required to prepare the pension proposal by taking into consideration the service particulars of the petitioner, of the government employee, and in the government, even the government employee is not entitled to certain service benefits, the same cannot be reckoned for the purpose of finalization of his presence, of his pension and pensionary benefits. However, all entitled service benefits would be mandated to be reckoned for the purpose of fixation of his pension and pensionary benefits. So accordingly, the respondent authorities shall now process the pension and pensionary benefits of the petitioner by reckoning all due service benefits of the petitioner, which according to them is receivable, is entitled to the petitioner herein. The proposal in this connection be submitted by the state authorities on or before the next date of listing to the office of the submitted to the office of the Accountant General AG, Account AG, bracketed A&E, Assam, complete in all respects, on or before the next date of listing. The registry to list this matter again on February, yeah. Quite right. 6/2/2025. On the next date of listing, Mr. R. Borough shall apprise this court as to the date on which they had received the proposal from the state authorities and the stage at which the same is pending. The stage at which the same is pending as of 5/2/2026. And you go and poke your head there.
My lord,
If they tell us and you find that that is not an entitlement, this matter will be taken up in 30. 20/2/30.
obligation.
The instruction.
Hmm.
The issue in this case is that the second round of litigation, first round of litigation, the litigation was dismissed or was allowed to some extent on the judgment of plain Cortex and Rahmatullah. The observant part of the judgment.
We can dispose of this matter?
Lordship,
Yes, my lord, this matter can be disposed of.
Want me to dispose of this matter in this way?
Lordship, yes, the instructions may be seen, Lordship, which they have given.
So that is the
Basically,
only
we are
thing.
on the current search.
Your allegation was that they are including in the current bills, the supplementary amounts.
Yes, yes,
Demand
Lordship.
amounts.
The area principal.
Now,
areas-
Mr. Sharma is so fair that he says we are not even contemplating to do that.
Current surcharge has been added in the current demand.
That
and
he
we
says
have-
is only with regard to the delayed payment of the current bill.
Yes,
If any is there.
if any is there, but there is no delay in payment. We have been paying this bill also.
Basically, it is always there. It cannot be if any. Always.
Because the current surcharge,
If you don't switch on also, there will be some charge.
the area principal, area surcharge, we are only on that, the
Okay.
current surcharge should not be on that amount.
In terms of heard Miss
S. Todi.
S. Todi, Learned Counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. S.P. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, APDCL. Mr. Sharma has received instructions in the matter in terms of the instructions in the matter. Also, a copy thereof is furnished to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also, I've heard the Learned Counsel for the petitioner at some length. Ms. Todi submits that she be granted 2 weeks' time to complete her instructions with regard to the to make her submissions with regard to the instructions furnished by the Learned Standing Counsel, APDC. Registered to list this matter again on 7/1/2026. I'm not passing an order today
Lordship.
for further hearing.
There might be a difficulty on 7th, my lord.
6th, 5th,
My lord, very fair, my lord, there is some medical emergency that's.
when do you want it?
My lord, can take it on 9th or 10th or after we.
9th, no problem. 9/1. Now, there you are safe. There is no problem.
Lordship, I'll just.
Okay.
Also, like,
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Happy New
Merry
Year
Christmas,
to all of you.
Wish you the same, Lordship.
You will be here or you're going out? Why?